Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to draw a black cat, and we're going to start with the top of the head. The first step is this line that curves across the top of the page. Next, we will start drawing the ears. So make one triangle that points to the left, and then go to the other side for another triangle that points to the right. Now we have our cat ear started, and it's time to start drawing the outline of the cat's face. So take your pen and place it just under the cat's ear and begin drawing a line that curves down. Stop right here in the middle for your cat's chin. Now do the same thing over on the other side. And don't worry if your lines aren't perfect, because we're going to go back over them. Next, go back up to the ears and draw triangles on the insides. And next comes my favorite part, drawing the cat's eyes. So start with these two lines that look like eyebrows. And then close these shapes like this. Next comes the nose, and it's just a tiny triangle in the center here. And now for the mouth. Just draw two curved lines that come down to the chin on either side. You will also notice I drew another line that separates the head from the neck and kind of looks like a little collar there under the mouth. The next step is going to really help bring our cat to life. We're going to make the two pointed pupils in the center of each eye. And now draw a tiny circle inside each pupil for a reflection. Now draw two very narrow eyebrows. And you'll see later that we're going to leave these white. The whiskers on this cat are going to be a little different from the whiskers that people usually draw on cats. They're going to be wider, and like the brows, we're going to leave these white later on. So draw three whiskers on one side of the cat's face, and then three whiskers on the other side. And we are almost done with the drawing part. Our last step will be to draw the cat's neck. So just draw two lines that curve down from either side of the cat's mouth towards the bottom of the page. Now you've finished drawing the cat. Good job. Now it's time for some coloring fun. Here you see the pink ears, nose, and yellow eyes. Those bright colors stand out against the black and really look amazing. Notice that as I'm coloring, I'm very careful to leave those thin brows white, and the line under the chin also stays white. And the mouth is pink. And here's our beautiful black cat all finished. I chose a purple background for the night sky. Notice how the white eyebrows and whiskers really make this cat unique. But I think our cat's yellow eyes really are the best part. If you enjoyed creating this super cool black cat, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.